Hello everyone, it's Fatih. I'm founder of Sanction Scanner. Today we have exciting news for you to writing your fraud and transaction monitoring rules with AI. So I'm gonna show you a quick demo for that. This is our Fusion platform. You can directly log in and then you can access all AML risk, fraud and customer risk assessment features at the same time on the same platform with AI. So under the monitoring rules, you can find our rule writing system. You can basically use these components and directly write your own rules with dynamic and static rules, aggregations, logics and conditions and many more. And on the same time, you can directly reach out to the templates and you can directly use the ready templates for the complicated rules. And with AI features that we launched today, you can directly write your own rules via AI mode with your own words. So let's do an example for that. Once you click the AI button, system tells to you, please describe your rule with your own way. So you can write whatever you want with your own language. If you use French, you can use French. If you use Turkish, then you can use Turkish for that. So let's write a couple of rules to showing it how it's easy with Sanction Scanner AI features. So if I would like to, let's say, alert if a customer is doing more than, let's say, 30 different transactions in the same day for incoming money transfers. So you just write, if a customer is doing more than 30 transactions, let's say incoming transaction or inbound transaction in last 14 hours. So you can write this kind of rules, just an easy daily words, and you just send it to the AI. And AI immediately understand the rules and write the rules via easy way like that. You can see system just say if a customer is doing more than 30 different transactions in a day, and if this guy is doing all of them as inbound, then adding some alerting mechanism. So you can change it with different way. You just iterate it if you want. So you just put these words and then you can add maybe please add 50 risk score for that. So you can directly write these, adding the new fields for that, and system can generate the rules with that way as well. As you can see, the rule has been changed with a 50 plus risk score if this is executing on the transaction monitoring or fraud monitoring system. So let's write another rule how you can use that with an easy way. So think about you are just trying to catching the merchant fraud with that way. So think about if a merchant is accepting money in last, I don't know, 6 hours, more than 50+% that you are benchmarking on the previous 6 hours. So you can describe it with that way as well. So let's write it. If a merchant is accepting incoming transactions in last 6 hours, which is more than 50% than in before 6 hours, please add 500 risk score to transaction. So system generate the rules for you without annoying any kind of issue. So you can see the customer is doing in last 6 hours and in last 14 hours, and you can just easily divide it for calculating the before 6 hours amount of money, and then you can easily translate it, and you can easily understand the difference between last 6 hours and earlier 6 hours at the same time, as you can see, and system can generate extra risk score for this kind of rules, as you can see on over there. Maybe I can use auto layout, and you can directly use it with that way. So that's basically how it's easy to writing the rules, and you can directly generate the rules with your own words, with your own language, with Sanction Scanner AI capabilities. Thank you everyone for listening to me, and have a great day.